Why, hello there. Welcome to my room! There are so many new updates that I can't wait to share with you guys. Oh wait, my dog. Well, this is my giant rat. Oh, it's really hot outside. I haven't even said anything and I'm already sweating. So, I mean, I think it's pretty obvious that I have a lot of big changes. I'm gonna walk you guys through all of them because I'm just like so happy with how things are looking right now. Over here is my coffee table and I have like a white rug. Back there, I will zoom you guys in on this, but I'm actually really proud of my new setup. And then also, obviously, my bed is really cute. And then back there, it's kind of obvious, but my precious pink curvy couch from CB2. It's so cute. Everything is so cute. Ah! Welcome to my bed. I'm still not sure if I'm into it or not because I literally just did this last night. So recently I've been following like so many like Korean home decoration inspo blogs on Instagram, and I saw this trend where people were mix and matching different types of pastels for their bedspreads, and so I tried my hand at it. So I just got these like random king-sized pillows and I went with like a pastel pink and a pastel yellow, which I'm definitely really happy about these three colors. I just don't know if I want to swap out the blue bedsheet for my white one again. Oh, also something really stupid. So not only does the cover not match my comforter, I also bought the wrong size for my comforter. So I thought that I had a twin size blanket, but it turns out that I had a queen size. So that's why it's all like lumpy and shit. This entire thing is definitely still like a huge work in progress. I just was really excited to show you guys the update, but I definitely want to maybe put something up here one day, maybe like, I don't know, like a shelf, and put some cute stuff up there. But I'm really scared of it falling in my sleep and crushing me to death. Like, does anyone else have this like irrational fear of just things crushing you in your sleep? Okay, so this is my couch. I have already like introduced this couch to you guys. I bought it last year and to this day it's one of the dumbest purchases I've ever made. Literally the most expensive piece of furniture that I have, and I never allow anyone to sit on it. No one's allowed to touch it, and I am also not allowed to touch it. Usually I have like a white sheet and I put like a really puffy white comforter on top. No one's allowed to touch my couch, not even myself. So I'm constantly in between like hating myself and also thanking myself for buying this stupid thing. Don't get me wrong, I love it. I still really love my couch. I think I would like take a bullet for my couch. I mean, all jokes aside, I do actually like spend time on my couch. So this is a little fun POV for you guys. This is essentially what this looks like at night. Yeah, I just sit here, read fanfic, and I'm just like crying all the time. Every day I sit here at night and I just think about all of my favorite dead characters and how they never had happiness. I forgot to talk about my fun little mirror over here. This is from CB2. Simultaneously my best friend and my worst enemy in the universe. I'm just like really into like curvy shapes, as you can tell. Like this is curvy, this is curvy, this is also curvy. As for what is going on in like my bedside tables and stuff, if there's anything that I didn't talk about in this video, I did like my first room tour pretty recently also. In terms of what is like in all of my drawers, if you guys are interested in knowing, like I do have like a very in-depth video about that. So is it gonna be up here? Oh my god, look at how gross. Look at how gross my arm looks. Welcome to my work desk. Okay, so I'm so proud of her. Okay, so this is my little workstation. This is really new. I literally just set this up probably last week. Let me start with the most exciting thing, which is that this is a freaking standing sitting desk. And this one is automatic. It's mechanical, so it plugs in the back over there. And this is truly my pride and joy. So I've been editing on my MacBook for like 5 whole ass years, and she's dying. Like, she's ready to quit. And so I finally bought an iMac. So first of all, I'm really obsessed with these like little bear stickers. So this is just like my ergonomic mouse. And then I just bought this silver aluminum mouse pad because it obviously like it matches everything. Also, like, kind of unrelated, but like, look at how well like all of my cute little things match. This is my phone case and this is my AirPod case. Truly, I am obsessed with my workspace. I think I could die working in front of here and I would just be so happy. And this is what I look like when I'm standing here for 5 hours editing. I have my double wrist braces because age is so fun. I don't know if it makes me look cool because I look like an athlete or if it makes me look lame because I have double carpal tunnel. Hello. If you guys are wondering what is this mysterious curtain, it's my bathroom. I'm not gonna show you guys what's inside because it's essentially exactly the same as my last video because I haven't really done anything to my bathroom. The only thing is that I changed out those ugly ass Pepto-Bismol pink curtains for these plain white ones. I just bought this like screw-on rod. And yeah, it just like gives a little more privacy so that when my friends are here, they don't have to be scared of using my bathroom. This green candle doesn't match. Should I change it? Ooh, hell yeah! It kind of matches my bed sheets. You can kind of see it in the background. Okay, so you guys recognize this space. This is essentially like my filming space. Like, I kind of always just sit here, do hair, do other stuff. And off camera, this is you guys. And I'm constantly just like fighting to not get things in the mirror. But I fail literally every single video. There is like something that's in the mirror that shouldn't be, whether it's my camera, my lights, my laptop, watching Naruto. Yeah, you can kind of see that I do have like a little bit of a theme going on, which is just like dried arrangements and like candles, more pastel colors. But yeah, it's still like a work in progress because I don't know exactly how I want this to look, but it's like you can sense what I'm going for. So we're back at the beginning. We're done with this room tour. Yeah, obviously I'm really happy with how things are going so far. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for going on this little tour with me. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye. You know those dresses where it's like if you like try to breathe, it's basically strangling you to death? That is this dress. But do I care?